Welcome to the ALGO-CRM feature playlist. In this video, we will see Custom Master. First, we will start from the company page where we need to select a company. I am selecting Arihant Solution 2. Now we are on the dashboard of ALGO-CRM. With the help of the Custom Master, we can create additional master forms as per our requirements. To access this module, go to the left menu panel and click on Administration, then select Configuration, and after that choose Field Configuration. With the help of Field Configuration, we can add a Custom Master. To create a new Custom Master, we will click on the Add Custom Master option. A form will open where we need to enter the name of the Custom Master in the name field. Here, I will enter Sample Master. We can add up to 10 custom masters only. After that, I will click on the Submit button to create the custom master. After creating the custom master, we will click on the Select Form option. From the drop-down, we can select the custom master that we have just created. After selecting a custom master, the pencil icon becomes available in the Select Form field. If we want to update the name of the custom master, we can click on the pencil icon. However, if a default master is selected, the system will not allow the user to modify its name. The pencil icon is only used to edit the name of custom master forms. In the custom master field configuration, the name field is available by default, and we can edit it. By default, this field is mandatory and also disabled. In a custom master, we can add up to 10 fields only. Here, I will click on the Add Field button. After that, a field will be added to the custom master. The field label can be set according to your preference. In the column type, we have options like text, options, numeric, date, list, and master list. Here, I will select master list. After selecting it, the Select Master field will appear. Here, you will also see a plus icon, which allows you to create a new custom master. From this field, you can choose a custom master or a master form from the drop-down based on your requirements. First, I will select Custom Master from the drop-down. After selecting it, a pencil icon will be displayed. Using this icon, we can edit the custom master. I will click on the pencil icon. The Update Custom Master form will open, where we can update the name of the custom master. Here, I will submit the form without making any changes. Now, I will select category from the drop-down. If we click on the pencil icon here, it will display the message, Not allowed to modify, because this is a default master form and cannot be edited. Now, I will save the configuration by clicking on the Save Configuration button. If we want to delete a custom master, the Delete Custom Master option is available at the bottom left side. Using this option, we can delete the custom master. However, if the custom master is being used in another master, it cannot be deleted, and a validation message will be displayed. Selected master cannot be deleted because it is being used in other forms. We can create records in this custom master form. For that, go to the left menu panel, then navigate to Administration, followed by Master Data, and then Custom Master. All the custom masters that we create will be visible under the Custom Master section in the Master Forms. Sample Master is also displayed here because we have created it. Now, I will click on the Sample Master. In the Sample Master, we can add records by clicking on the Add New button. A form will open where we will get to fields, name and label. In the name field, I am entering Custom. In the label field, a drop-down will display options from the category master. From there, I will select Complaint Resolution and then click on the Submit button. After submitting, the record will be displayed in the entity. We can easily search for any record using the search option, which helps us quickly locate the required record. Each column can be sorted in ascending or descending order using arrow icons. We can also rearrange the columns according to our preference or search tickets by their name. We can manage which columns to show based on our needs through the Manage Columns option, and these column settings will be user-specific. Additionally, we can edit or delete contact directly from this view. Custom Master helps you easily add masters and store all company data in one place, making data management simple and efficient. Thank you.